forest sector contribute to address the question of Sudan being transformed into a desert because of escalating climate problems? Can it help respond to the concerns about the connection between climate change and conflict?
Sudan, in many parts of Sudan, the forest presents like a source of livelihood to people. It is the main source for fuel wood, which is energy in rural areas. And the deforestation and the resulting desertification has been regarded as one of the major environmental problems in Sudan. And of course, we know that climate change is going to aggravate this situation, and it will lead to declining forest resources, increase the hazards of fires and insects, and the many potential impacts of climate change. But in general terms, if we work towards uh, managing forest sustainably and making more use of the non-timber forest products, that is through making the people generate income from selling, from processing these non-timber forest products. It will be like a means for conserving the forest. And then it will, of course, contribute also to the maintenance of the green cover and the global objective of sequestration of greenhouse gases. Regarding the connection between climate change and conflict, I think people started to become aware of this link between like resource-based conflict and being one of the factors, competition of our resources. But of course, we cannot see this relation as a linear or a direct link between conflict and climate change, and that is one of the factors. I know that many other factors interact to escalate the, the conflict, and if we want like to address these problems, to have a lasting peace, we need to visit all these factors and to try to address each. And of course, these factors are not mainly local. Some of them are local, others are national, some are international. But we can put what they call it, the principle of thinking global and act local. We need to act at the local level and to solve related problems. And in doing so, we first look at the forest, of course, because forest, maintaining forest, healthy forest, or sustainable forest ecosystem, we can also contribute to improving the soil condition, fertility, improving the water quality, and also provide fodder for herders, of course, and release pressure on land. So through conserving the forest, I think we will also be contributing to solving the problem of conflict. It should be like an integrated approach for addressing conflict. One dimension, and a very important dimension, is addressing forest-related problems.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
You'll be a keynote speaker on Producing for Development at the 13th World Forestry Congress in Argentina. And I hope to see you there. Thank you very much for your availability. Thank you.
Hope to see you there. Thanks a lot.